Exciting day today as we finally get our hands on the Pixel 6. Hey guys, TechFlash here, and we have not one but both the Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Pro models, which we are going to unbox and do a quick comparison and see which one you should buy. The colors we have here today are the Seafoam Green for the Pixel 6 and Cloudy White for the Pixel 6 Pro. Both boxes are quite similar, but obviously the Pixel 6 Pro box is a little bit bigger. Now, quickly taking a look at the specs on the box, and we can see that the Pixel 6 Pro comes with a 6.7-inch display, while the smaller Pixel 6 comes in at 6.4 inches. Also, you get 12 gigs of RAM on the Pro, while on the 6 you get 8 gigs of RAM, which is enough in my opinion. Opening up the box, the first thing you see are the devices, and I'm gonna quickly go and turn both of them on. And I want to quickly mention that the first thing I noticed here is the position of the power button, which is placed at quite a higher position than we see on other phones. Normally the power button is located right at where the volume rocker is here, which makes it feel a bit weird, but just quickly wanted to mention that. Now I'll go ahead and turn both devices on, and while we wait, I'll quickly go over the boxes. And I think it's pretty obvious by now that we don't get chargers in the box. The only thing that we do get is the dongle, which is used to transfer your files if you are a first-time Pixel user. And we also get a USB-C cable alongside this very minimal, almost unnecessary paperwork, which has this SIM ejector pin. And that is pretty much it. A very clean, very minimalist unboxing. Now, both of these devices come with an AMOLED display. However, the display on the Pixel 6 is a flat AMOLED display, which means it's not curved like the one you see on the Pixel 6 Pro. There is another difference here, and that is in the refresh rate. On the Pixel 6 Pro you get 120 Hz, and on the Pixel 6 you only get a 90 Hz refresh rate display, which I would say is not too bad. And I would most probably go with the Pixel 6 because, if I'm honest, the differences are not too much. Design wise as well, both are pretty similar looking devices. Even on the back you get the same Cyclops looking camera visor. The Pixel 6 Pro, however, does come with a 4x optical camera, which is a plus, but come on, how many of us really take zoom shots? Like, honestly, no matter how good the zoom quality, you don't really take a photo in a zoom mode unless it's absolutely necessary. The main camera and ultra wide camera on both phones are the same, which has a 50 megapixel sensor and an 8 megapixel ultra wide, which is quite a capable camera. And it being a Pixel device, cameras have always been a strong point on these phones. On the front we have an 8 megapixel selfie camera on the Pixel 6 and an 11.5 megapixel front camera on the Pixel 6 Pro. Now, both devices support 5G connectivity, but something a bit strange here is that because I have the Japanese variant, and I don't know if this is with all Japanese variants, but the Pixel 6 does not support millimeter wave 5G. The Pixel 6 Pro although does, which is why you see this plastic band on top. The overall body on both phones is pretty good, with aluminum bands all over sandwiched between a glass back, and it also doesn't wobble when you put it on the table due to the uniform visor design. As far as the software is concerned, we get the best of the best. The Pixel 6 comes with the latest Android 12, which now has a ton of new and amazing features, including this new and improved speech recognition. So if you long press the power button and hold it, Google comes up, and then you can basically say whatever you want, and it will easily able to transcribe everything and anything that you are saying, because the transcription on this one is awesome. Now that was smooth, wasn't it? Talking about the battery, the Pixel 6 Pro comes with a 503 milliampere battery, and the Pixel 6 has a 4600 milliampere battery, which, if I'm honest, the screen time on both was not too good. And on top of that, you don't even get a charger in the box, but if you do want one, you can buy it separately for about $25. You'll be able to get this 30-watt USB-C charger, which is not really a fast charger, by the way. And guys, that is pretty much it. Honestly, in my opinion, I think the Pixel 6 is the phone to go with because it has almost everything the Pixel 6 Pro has, with a few small exceptions that I can easily live with. And also, the overall size of the phone is slightly smaller, which, if you've seen my other videos, I do prefer smaller devices. So yeah, that is it for the Pixel 6 and the Pixel 6 Pro. Let me know down in the comments below what your thoughts are. If you enjoyed this video, please drop a like and consider subscribing. Thank you once again for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.